Let's sing today. Science leads a clever way. Ask a question, take a peek, finding answers every week. Mix and measure, watch things grow. There's so much the world can show. Tiny bugs and giant trees, learning rides upon the breeze. Hey, science, science, hooray, hooray. Let's discover every day. Look around and you will see. Science is for you and me. Think and wonder, clap your hands. Learning happens in all lands. Big ideas and little clues, there's always something new. Gravity gives us a gentle pull, keeping oceans nice and full. Jump up high, you'll soon come down, back onto the playground ground. Magnets pull and magnets push, watch them zip with just a whoosh. North and south can stick just right. Science makes the world so bright. So science, science, hooray, hooray. Let's discover every day. Look around and you will see. Science is for you and me. Think and wonder, clap your hands. Learning happens in all lands. Big ideas and little clues, there's always something new. Plants drink water through their roots, then they grow delicious fruits. Sunlight helps them make their food. Isn't nature simply good? Clouds can bring a rainy shower, or sunshine for a happy hour. Wind can whistle, snow can fall, weather changes overall. Observe, explore, experiment too. That's what scientists all do. Try again if things go wrong. Every mistake makes us strong. Say science, science, let's all cheer. Amazing wonders far and near. Stars above and seas below. There's so much to learn and know. Dream it, test it, have some fun. Every question starts with one. Curious minds will always shine. Science makes the world divine. So clap your hands and shout hooray! Let's keep learning.